Removed opening tool. Cable from the tail shell bottom. Penetrates into the fiber optic cable to stripping pliers benchmarking end. Holding clamp handle. Pull out the cable. Check the fiber is damaged. The cable sheath snugly retaining surface incision. Combined guide stripper. Pull out the cable. Clean with alcohol fiber. Open guide stripper. The cable cut pressing block together into the cutter groove. Cutting bare fiber length 10.5 mm. Be careful when penetrated into the optical fiber. Cable sheath incision touches a limit rod. Put in place. Judgments of curvature. Screwed into the cowled putman, locking the cable sheath. Press box cover, locking the bare fiber. Remove dust cap. Clean the ferrule end face. Put on the dust cap. Enclosure complete rapid end. Below is the decomposition demonstration. Against the dust cap, back shell. The opening tool, pushing the box cover.